Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. What the WTF is going on with crypto? What the WTF is going on with Bitcoin? And why did Bitcoin just suddenly have this huge dump, guys? So I was sitting at home in the afternoon with the family and suddenly bam, wham, bam, thank you, man. We saw Bitcoin tankity, tank, like crazy out there. So we're going to talk about that and much more. And, some people have been saying that, itty bitty baby could be going down to $10,000 right now. Well, the way that things are looking right now, we could absolutely see $10,000 incoming. I'm still confident that 14,000 is going to be the absolute worst case scenario for Bitcoin, guys. So let's jump into it. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just an OG expressing my opinions, and this is only for educational purposes, only in-house, guys. So let's get into it. So if you can see the Bitcoin chart right now, you can see that Bitcoin is trading at $19,361 right now at time of recording. And we can see right here that Bitcoin dumped almost 6%. And one of the reasons that we saw Bitcoin dump 6% was there was a huge whale that either got liquidated or sold. There was basically 29,000 Bitcoin that were sold like that. On within like a 1 minute time frame. So that is what caused this huge cascading sell pressure, and that pushed Bitcoin down, down. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is recovering a little bit. It went as low as 18,690. So it's come up. It's up right now from where it is at the low, and right now we can measure that out. So from where the low was to where we are right now, we're up again about 3.6%. So do I think that we're going to get back up to our previous high of around about $20,487? I think that we might see a recovery around about to the $19,632. I might be wrong. I'm still forecasting that we could be seeing a Bitcoin going as low as 14,077. I still think it is possible that we could be going down to $14,000 an ounce, guys. So from my perspective, what you should be doing and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be picking up some more Bitcoin because this is a really good, from my perspective, anything below $19,000 in my perspective is a very good entry point. So I'm going to be putting some buy orders in at 18,000, at 14,000, at 13,000, at 10,000. And hopefully that, these orders will get filled because, this is going to be life-changing wealth. Some people are saying that, Bitcoin could go down to 5,000. I don't think so. For me, my absolute bare bottom price for Bitcoin right now is going to be about $10,000. So that is what I'm thinking about. You guys smash the likes and subscribe. Tell me what you think. What do you think? What is going to be the low? What is going to be the all-time low for Bitcoin right now? Guys, tell me what the WTF is going on. All I gotta say is beep the crypto markets right now. And why is things happening the way it is? Well, it's a recession, rate hikes. We have all of this contagion that's going on. We have, Babel Finance yesterday, the Celsius garbage out there. And then we have 3 Arrows Capital, guys. And basically, as I said earlier in my previous video, it's basically knuckleheads running crypto companies that, it's like the wild, wild west. They're like cowboys out there with your money. And, when things are going good, nobody cares because things just keep going up forever. But when things start to go down, this is when the true colors of these crypto companies start to unveil. And you were seeing that these crypto companies are just unraveling and unraveling before their eyes because they absolutely did not have proper risk management, and we can see that. And so we're seeing this whole crypto contagion happening. And the retail investors are scared out of their pants right now. They think this is like crypto Armageddon and that things are going to be going down. The Debbie Downer Bear is loving this kind of thing because he's just loving it. He's out of it. So I kind of tired of Debbie Downer Bear. And the alien, he's been tuning up his rocket ship because of my brother, the alien. No, what? Yeah, he's going to Mars, guys. He's also fed up with planet Earth and the stupidity that's going on. The geopolitical stuff. We got the madman Putin in Ukraine. We got price of gas, price of beef. Everything's insane, guys. We're definitely going to be heading into one of the worst recessions out there, guys. So I'm going to grab some Coca-Cola. Thank God I'm in Vietnam where, I can buy a can of Coke. The Coca-Cola right there. in Vietnamese. I can buy a can of Coca-Cola for like like 50 cents. So, from that perspective, I'm glad I'm here, because it looks like, what's going on in the U.S. is complete craziness out there. So once again, for me, I'm targeting, I really believe, personally speaking, that 14,000 is my low, my forecast, my prediction for Bitcoin. Will Bitcoin suddenly reverse today and go back up to, 20,000? I don't know. We have to see. But like I said, there's still a lot of selling, still a lot of liquidation pressure on, and there's going to be more and more failures because a lot of these crypto companies are having a lot of liquidity issues. And guys, the contagion is going to continue going on. The crypto contagion is going to continue. And guys and gals and aliens, you just have to buckle up. And I know a lot of you guys are depressed because a lot of you guys bought at the tops. And, a lot of you don't have the dry powder to go in and dollar cost average. And I know that I always keep saying, what you should be doing, you should be dollar cost average. Well, yeah, sure, OG, that's fine and dandy if you got dry powder. But a lot of you don't have dry powder, and I feel sorry for you. And, I wish things were better for you. And I know that some of you who are watching, use some critical resources, aka money, that you otherwise were going to use to buy food or pay rent or do something more important, because some of you aped in and thought that Bitcoin hit the low already and we hit the bottom and we're going to go up. So I'm sorry to say that it looks like we're still going to see some volatility. So we're still seeing that basically Bitcoin is pretty much an unknown entity right now. I think that 14,000 is the low. Worst case scenario, absolute worst case scenario, 10,000, guys, 10,000. I mean, like I said previously, if we go down to 10,000, I think I'm going to take like $500,000 and just go nuts into Bitcoin. I'm just going to go, load up a truckload, because, I'm sitting on a ton of dry powder and I'm not making smack in the bank, guys. So yeah, but I got to squeeze this one past the wife. I'm just going to have to load up on Bitcoin in secret, guys, and not tell the wifey, and hopefully she doesn't notice the bank account has been drained out there. So if you see if you see OG with a black eye in the next couple days, my wife was not happy. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to be loading up, because I know that in 2025 that Bitcoin is just going to go to the moon, guys. And some people, we're still seeing a lot of hedge fund managers, and still a lot of people in the industry are still saying that Bitcoin can hit 100,000 this year. I think that's a little bit of hyperbole out there, a little bit of hype. Sure, we may get back to 50,000, maybe, I don't know. But right now, I'm just going to load up, and that's all I can recommend you guys doing. It's not financial advice out there, definitely not financial advice. We can still see that, Bitcoin is tanking below the 200 weekly moving average. And I still think this is a huge buy zone, a huge buying opportunity out there. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. That's so important. So, this is also coming in, guys. We're seeing that the daily on-chain exchange flow, we still are seeing that the net flow of Bitcoin is still, we're seeing more and more Bitcoin flowing off exchanges, guys. It's happening. And this is kind of weird and wacky right now. We're seeing that, a lot of this dumpage of Bitcoin right now, things that are going on, I believe it is, all of these crypto institutions who, poorly manage their risk, and that's why we're seeing the dump, and the smart money, the smart whales are still buying up the storm, guys. Like you can see here that the third largest whale, he's still buying, guys. I mean, he bought another 266 Bitcoin today. It's like 5 mil today, guys. So from that perspective, I still think the smart money is buying. We're seeing the fear and greed is disgusting out there at 6. Tomorrow's going to be, there's going to be like 0. What happens when it gets 0? And we've never ever seen 6. 6 is the absolute lowest, guys. Like, OMG, what the WTF beep is going on with crypto? Big kick in the nuts, boom. For me, I mean, I've never seen 6 before, guys. So we're seeing that Ethereum, we're seeing more Ethereum flowing off exchanges, and it's just kind of a weird and wacky time out there. I thought this was kind of fun and interesting. Let me just find it. There was a big here. I thought this is, guys, McDonald's is hiring, guys. So this is a billboard that was put up by McDonald's, and I said, "Hey, crypto brothers, we're hiring." So they put this up. They're taking the crap out of all of us out there. So yeah, maybe the next best thing is sign up for McDonald's. Everyone that's lost their shirt in crypto, sign up for McDonald's. So this is coming in from Rec Capital. Yeah, Rec Capital. Yeah, we're all got Rec. And he's saying that currently BTC sell side volume has eclipsed 2018 bear market seller volume levels at 200 weekly moving average. So it looks like the 2018 levels we've eclipsed that. This was the whole COVID dump. So we're seeing that the levels that the Bitcoin has gone down is even worse than the 2018, but still lower than March 2020. So this is a huge deviation from the weekly 200 week moving average. Am I saying that right? It's a huge deviation from the 200-week moving average. I got my words backwards. I don't know what's going on. I'm just not happy, guys. I'm not happy. I'm just seeing my crypto portfolio just go. It's like I'm flushing turds down the tube. Flush. Can I say turds? Turds. So I'm not happy with what's going on. This is also from Rec Capital again in the house, and what he's saying is that BTC is down 15% below the 200-week moving average, and historically Bitcoin tends to wick between 14 to 28% below the 200-week moving average. So if you just go back to Bitcoin and let's do that. So we assume that we're below the 200-week moving average 14%. So I'm going to add another 14% there, and that will absolutely tell us what kind of get out of there, charts. That will absolutely tell us where we're going to go. So from here, if we go drop down another 14%, that is going to take us around about here. So that is going to take us down to the depths of around about 16,000, guys. So if we do follow what Rec Capital is saying, we could be seeing that we could be going down another 14% from where we are now, and that would take us lovely jubbly down to 16.5, guys. So it is what it is. I still think that we could. Be hitting 14K in the house, guys. I mean, I'm hoping that the 19.6 we're going to recover from that. It looks like we could be recovering from that. And of course, it's just poop matter, guys. At some point, there's got to be a green candle, right? Someone there's got to be a green candle. It's just a matter of time. So things are not looking pretty good. If you take a look at the Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin, even though Bitcoin had that dump, Dogecoin is not doing too bad at 5 cents. It's still holding at 5 cents. Crabby walk time. And, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance is dropping, so that's good. The DXY is also too high. It's insane. We're seeing, let's take the leverage apers in the house. The leverage apes are about 287 million. About 81,000 traders got wrecked out there. And, we just got to stop. We got to stop. We're seeing it in the hourly. We're seeing some short. We're seeing some shorts, guys, so that could be good, interesting news. Maybe we get a bit of a reversal happening. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is the whole glare city out there from the heat map is happening. I gotta protect the eyes from the glare, guys, from the crypto glare out there. So it's not looking pretty good out there. So yeah, it's a crap day. It's a crap crypto day. It's a CC day, crap crypto day. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Let's see Ethereum getting slaughtered out there. So Ethereum, it did go as low on this candle right here. It did go as low as $974. So yep. So that was not good. It's gone, but I still think that $819 is about my bottom for Ethereum. So that's it. ADA is still holding at 47 cents, so that's pretty much of a darling. We're seeing the total market cap is 862. It's going down. Volume is light though. Bitcoin dominance is like 42%. We're seeing a lot of carnage out there, guys. It's just not looking good. It's gnarly, nasty out there. There's nothing worth looking at. It's just like out there. So guys and gals, so basically we had that 29,000 Bitcoin that was dumped on the spot exchange, and that's what caused Bitcoin to dump. That was the reason. That was the whole reason. So this crypto contagion continues. Go down there, boop the likes or not. If you don't want to boop the likes, that's fine. It doesn't bother me one way or the other. Subscribe or not, whatever. Do you out there? And I'm just trying to bring you what I see and what I hear out there on the streets. So there's not a lot of real news out there. It's like Saturday here in Vietnam. It's early morning Saturday for some of you in the US. So it is a weird and wacky time. Why Bitcoin dumped? Well, someone sold 29,000 on the spot, guys. So that is what's going on. Be so kind as to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch. Check out all the links below. You want to get it, guys. And I just want to say, God bless you. I love you guys. We're in it together. and crypto is a big turd right now, and it's not looking good. But I'm going to keep on keeping on. Even if only one person is watching my videos, I'm still going to continue. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to not stop bringing the news, bringing you updates. It's okay, guys. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Be well, guys. Don't freak out. Don't panic. It could be better. Remember, Coca-Cola in Vietnam is only like it's not even 50 cents, guys. So get on over here. Fight inflation. Get to Vietnam. I love it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. What a day for crypto. Blah. Peace out.